Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop tonight. You're in for a treat. Especial, I'm gonna let you into my secret walled garden of heuristic knowledge. This here trick is gonna blow your fucking mind. And it's also gonna earn you both the respect and admiration of your peers and also that sweet, sweet bet beer. Now, this is gonna save you a ton of headache, and I'll tell you why. Because occasionally you'll get yourself into a dilly of a pickle where you'll need to change a hose or a fitting or something in a tank, a receptacle, a fluid receptacle of some sort. And of course, it'll be on the bottom of the tank. And of course, you'll be in some pristine, beautiful mountaintop where you can't leak any fluid and so forth. And it's all got to be, cleaned up nice and proper. And you just don't have anywhere to put the fluid. You got no, say it's a diesel tank or a hydraulic tank or a coolant tank or some other kind of tank. You don't want to empty it out in order to change a hose or put a bung in or whatever. So this trick is both for dire situations and also all the fucking time. It works great because if you got to change a fitting or thread in a new, just change a sensor or whatever, and you have a whole bunch of fluid there, you're going to have some leakage before you can get the new one in. And then Murphy's Law, you get all stressed out because you're worried about this big deadhead falling on you of fluid. You can't get the Jesus thing threaded in. So I'm going to take the pressure off you a little bit with this trick. Now, go ahead. I've filled this now with water because I don't want to make too much of a mess. But water isn't very viscous. Centipoise quantity of 1. We see if we pull this bung out, we get a fucking shit ton of water. Lean in close and listen real careful like. You get yourself some grease. Doesn't matter what flavor, creed, color, because we ain't lubricating anything. We're sealing stuff up. You get yourself a plank or something. Lighter weight the better. You don't want a big piece of steel. Maybe some aluminum. Nice and light. Smear that on there like so. Now we open a port above the fluid level. In this case, there she blows. You get your shop vac. You see where I'm going with this? There you go. Unless you're a graybeard, you probably haven't seen that, and that will blow the fucking mind clean off anybody who has never seen that before. Occasionally, there's a dirty job what needs doing, but you don't gotta give old Mother Earth guy the oil bukkake every time. Just be a little easy on her. Use this trick, and you don't get nearly as much. Leakage out. You just get a little dribble instead of a full-on gusher. Get yourself some free beer in the process from the "that'll never fucking work" crowd. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.